How to tie a uni knot to a fishing reel spool. Double your line over like this. Pull it back 6 inches. Now with the tag line, make a loop and drop it underneath the main line. Like that. And you'll have a number 6. Now you can see I'm going to maintain this loop here because that's what will go over the spool of the fishing reel. So I'm going to come back to the knot. Now I'm going to take this tag line and wrap it around these 2 lines 5 times. I'm going to maintain the loop here and pull the tag line up. When that line gets snug, I still have my loop here. This is the loop that will go over the fishing reel spool. So I'm going to open my bail. This is the bail of the fishing reel. I'm going to put my loop over the spool and pull it tight. Now I'm going to cut my tag. Now I'm going to come back and close my bail.